The debris separator is a great accessory for any vacuum. Setting up the debris separator is really easy. It locks into the PACKOUT vacuum.
One hose goes into the vacuum, the other hose goes into my tool.
It not only prolongs the life of the vacuum, but it just makes your vacuum experience more convenient. When the filter's clogged, it just really kills the suction. It's a lot easier just to dump out a debris separator than it is to pull the vacuum apart, clean the filter, clean the tank, and then reassemble it. It keeps suction constant. It's PACKOUT compatible. It locks into the vacuum, so I can just make one big stack and roll it onto the job site at once.
It's compact. You have all your tools in one spot.
It's packed with a ton of features and compatible with every vacuum, and it's super well built. I would recommend the debris separator to anybody who uses vacuums.